Welcome to Joe Adventures. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I painted this beautiful ladybug. This rock was inspired by Rachel Rocks Canada, and check out her channel. I'm going to leave the description of her channel down below. Definitely it's easy to do. I only use black acrylic paint, purple, white, gold, and I use some nail glitter. My goal is to inspire you to make this beautiful rock or any other rock. It doesn't have to be the same color or the same design. You can create your own rock as you please. You can use the colors you want. Your imagination is the only limitation when you start doing this. As I said, my goal is for you to paint this because it is a relaxing thing to do, and don't expect to do everything perfect. All you have to do is to start doing it, and with practice you will get better. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave it in the section below. To make the color lighter, I just added some white paint and I use a sponge to blend the colors. That's all you have to do. It's really easy. If you have any questions, suggestions for this channel, let me know in the section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you like the content of this channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bienvenidos a Joe Adventures. En este video les voy a estar enseñando cómo hice esta piedra pintada de una ladybug o una mariquita. Para mezclar la pintura usé esta esponja y nomás le agregué un poco de blanco a la pintura morada y después le agregué más para hacer el centro. Y después le hice las líneas con la pintura dorada. Todas esas pinturas son acrílicas. Es bien sencilla de hacer, es inspirada por una youtuber que hace piedras también. Les voy a dejar la descripción de su canal en la sección abajo. El canal de ella se llama Rachel Rocks Canada. Si tienen alguna pregunta, sugerencia, dejarlo en la sección abajo. Espero este video les haya gustado. Si les gustó, denme un thumbs up. Y no olviden de suscribirse para que reciban el próximo video si les gusta el contenido de este canal. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Después de haberle puesto la brillantina, le puse una capa de este pegamento que se llama Mod Podge para que no se despegue cuando le ponga la capa de resin. Once I apply the glitter, I put a coat of Mod Podge, so when I apply the resin, the nail glitter won't be everywhere, it will just stay as I intended to do. I really love the outcome of this rock. Thank you, Rachel, again for your tutorial. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please let me know in the section below, or let me know what you think about this rock. Thank you for watching.